Hey, this is Mike Neprello with Peak Performance Physical Therapy and Sports Training, and we just want to let you all know that telehealth is alive and well here at Peak Performance. Andrew's working with a patient right now, and just wanted to let you know that in the Rochester area, we're really fortunate. Many of the insurance companies have actually chosen to totally waive patient copays. Now, some only allow phone visits, but right now, many are actually paying in full for people who need to stay at home and aren't able to come into the clinic for live care. We are an essential business, so many patients are still deciding to come in to get the care that they need, and we're doing all the protective practices that we need to keep our environment safe for our staff and for our patients. But for those patients who want to and need to get therapy, whether it's getting an evaluation just to get started, or whether it's continuing the care that they had before, so there's not a glitch and a bump in the road, you can come on in for telehealth online, remotely. And you'll be pumped into the clinic over a program called Doxy, and we'll be here live in the clinic dealing with you over the audio-visual connection. We're able to help look at the exercises that you're doing, even do measurements over the connection. We can actually take our goniometer that we measure with and put that up to the screen and measure how deep you're squatting or how far you're reaching, and just be really creative with how we examine you and look at you to be able to help you get better and take it to the next level. So if you're interested in needing physical therapy, don't be concerned that you have to keep waiting. We can treat you online. Give us a call at 218-0240 and we will get you started soon.